Ngiphinde ngibingelele bangcwele egameni lenkosi Jesu. Now khona le concept-ke le ekuthiwa i-alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu. Ukuba aligned necebo kaNkulunkulu. Ngicathi mhlawumbe umuntu umzalwane enga-confused ethi mhlambe ukuba aligned necebo kaNkulunkulu kuwukulenza icebo kaNkulunkulu. Khona umehluko between ukuwenza intando kaNkulunkulu nokuba aligned nentando kaNkulunkulu. Khona umehluko phakathi ekwenzeni lento le uNkulunkulu ayifuna yenzeke nokuthi wena ube kumuqo wodwa noma ube kwiside elilodwa lokwenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Cathi let me then break down i-confusion. uJesu Kristu was aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu. He worked on i-alignment with icebo likaNkulunkulu. So kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi laphana eBhayibhelini in the Old Testament sebebaningi abaprofethi abafikile babakhona. But the only issue ekhona phakathi kwabo bonke laba prophets, what they have a common kubona bonke ukuthi bayalifeza icebo kaNkulunkulu, but they are not aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. Okusho ukuthini? Okusho ukuthi let me make this example ebuhlungu. Ngiyakwazi ukushayela ngo-120 km/h ngibreake umthetho mase ngishayisa umuntu mase kuthiwa there is an accident, izirecord ngize ngiboshwe kuthiwa i-accident, but uthola ukuthi lo muntu engimshayisile bese kuyisikhathi sakhe noNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi uNkulunkulu bese kuyisikhathi sakhe sokuthi amukele. Sho ukuthi yize noma mina ngenze into breaker i-law, I am a law breaker, but icebo likaNkulunkulu angikwazanga ukubreaka. Ngamanye amazwi ayikho thina into esiyenzayo njengabantu engabreak icebo likaNkulunkulu. So when you look at iBhayibheli, then in the Old Testament there are many abaprofeti ney'nceku zikaNkulunkulu. There have been many of these men abakhona in the Old Testament. The reason why bekhona in the Old Testament ingoba they are in the good will of icebo likaNkulunkulu. But into ebagejayo bonke, each and one of them, mangabe sekufanele kucheck alignment with icebo likaNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi kulula kubona bonke ukuthi bayifeze intando kaNkulunkulu ngaleso sikhathi. Lithi izwenkosi umoya ongcwele wawehlela phezu kwabo, mainly showing you ukuthi manje it is at these times la khona be capable ukuthi bafeze into uNkulunkulu ayifunayo. But bona mangabe bebheka kwi-alignment noNkulunkulu ukuthi baqondene yini noNkulunkulu kwi-alignment yecebo lakhe, yila khona aba disqualified khona, yila khona balingeka kalula khona, yila khona belula ukuthi bahambe bekusathani. So kwenze njani uJesu Kristu uyabonakala eseyongena esiphambanweni engena through iprocess yomkhuleko. uJesu Kristu uyathandaza, uJesu Kristu uyakhuleka, ukhulekela into eyodwa. Akakhulekela ukuthi angazizwa inhlungu, akakhulekela ukuthi kudluliswe lesi sitsha phambi kwakhe, but ukhulekela into eyodwa, ukhulekela i-alignment with icebo likaNkulunkulu qaphela. uJesu Kristu yona into eyodwa ayikhulekela the time eseyongena kusiphambano. Ngamanye amazwi uJesu Kristu-ke uJesu Kristu-ke lalela-ke, uJesu Kristu solokhu ekuzaleni kwakhe nasekuphileni kwakhe into ayenza all along wayifeza icebo likaNkulunkulu. All along uJesu Kristu was fulfilling intando kaNkulunkulu. Shukuthi in the days la khona ayiphila khona, in the days la khona ayihamba khona, into eyodwa i-common eyayilibela ibuya uJesu Kristu ayenza was to fulfill intando kaNkulunkulu. But uyabonakala uJesu Kristu-ke eseyokhuleka eseyongena through isikhathi of the greatest test ukuthi ayofela umuntu. uJesu Kristu uyahamba uyokhulekela le alignment leya. Why uJesu Kristu ekwenza lokho? It is because lezi zinto lezi azenzile empilweni yakhe wazi ukuthi uyayifeza intando kaNkulunkulu. He was proper ekutheni the good will of God yayilethwa. If you would observe inhliziyo kaJesu Kristu, you'd find ukuthi intando kaNkulunkulu igcwele khona. Ngamanye amazwi kulula kuyena ukuthi enze lento uNkulunkulu ayishoyo. So yini uJesu Kristu esekhulekela ukuthi abe aligned with intando kaNkulunkulu-ke? Then-ke it is because uJesu Kristu wabona indawo la khona ileka khona ukuthi umzimba wakhe usesonweni sokuthi awufuni ukuba aligned necebo kaNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi umzimba wakhe awukho capable ukuthi umukele inhlungu. uJesu Kristu wenzani-ke? Uhamba uya in that place of ukubusa, uya towards i-judgment, uyongena kwihlalo sikaNkulunkulu la khona awuNkulunkulu khona. Uyowenzani khona? Uyoyinika i-judgment yena engakangeni esiphambanweni. Lento engishoyo on the basis of ukulandela icebo kaNkulunkulu. The time eyongena in that realm la khona eyongena kukhona ekuyinika i-judgment njengoNkulunkulu, yila khona esekwazi ukuthi abe properly aligned necebo kaNkulunkulu. Shothi ngamanye amazwi in the Old Testament what they lacked, in the Old Testament itayile ababeshoda ngayo kwakuyileya nto ukuthi babehluleka ukuhamba bekwi-office, babehluleka ukuhamba behlalweni sobukhosi bayoyi-alana necebo kaNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi babekwenza lokho ukuthi bafofile ekubeni umuntu, but into eyayiletha ukudedela i-alignment kwakuthi babelingeka, babetholakala benza izono uSathane balinga kalula, ukuthi babesanesono phezu kwabo, including isono sika-Adam no-Eva. Ngamanye amazwi noma ngabe sebeyakwazi ukuthi babe-aligned njengoJobe, but into ihleli phezu kwabo emakhandeni abo ukuthi khona isono esangaphezu komuntu. Ngamanye amazwi they can never be aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu because khona into ezobashifta. Just ngamanye amazwi noma lento ingancane noma lento ingankulu but izobashifta kwintando kaNkulunkulu. But uJesu Kristu mangabe ipopola lengozi, yena eyibheka yena umzimba wakhe, uJesu Kristu wabona umzimba kuwona ohlukana ne-alignment necebo likaNkulunkulu. uJesu Kristu senze njani? Usengena kuloya mkhuleko, loya mkhuleko ukubaluleka kwawo, loya mkhuleko lana ukubaluleka loya mkhuleko ukuthi wangena in the realm of judgment. Wayeka ukuyibuka njengomuntu, wayeka ukubuka njengomzimba ukuthi umzimba uzongena enhlungwini, but wayibona ukuthi no, ngifanele lezinhlungu ngenxa yezono. Shothi uJesu Kristu wahamba wayobheka i-capacity yezono la khona izono iqhamuka khona. uJesu Kristu noma ayilimaza esiphambanweni, into ayimenza ukuthi angakhalaza khala ngokuthi uNkulunkulu ngishiyelani, angakhali ngey'nhlungu azazi kuye, but ayinaka ezinye iy'nhlungu. It is into eyodwa ingoba wayese-properly aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu elalimenza abone ukuthi isono esikumuntu, the sin ekumuntu imele isuswe. Ngamanye amazwi wangaboni ku-capable ukuthi akhalele iy'nhlungu zazincane kunesono. I-alignment with icebo likaNkulunkulu. uJesu Kristu wenze njani-ke? uJesu Kristu uyangena towards that place, ungena towards i-test, unqoba ngisho nokufa. Why ezenza lezo zinto? Azenzeki lezo zinto ngomlingo, azenzeki lezo zinto ngesimanga, zenzeka nge-alignment with icebo likaNkulunkulu. If uJesu Kristu aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu, kuyini ukufa kuye? If uJesu Kristu aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu, siyini isiphambano kuye? Siyini inhlungu zesiphambano? Now let me shift the question. If thina bazalwane we are aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu, kuyini ukufa kuthina? If thina we are aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu, siyini inhlungu zesiphambano kuthina? Athu Paul kumele sithwale iphambano zethu, sife sivuke ngokukholwa. Ekhuluma about ukuvuka nje ngokukholwa. It is why ekhuluma nge-proper alignment. Ekhuluma ukuthi izinto yena athanda ukuzenza, akwazi ukuzenza, but lezi zinto lezi azenza yilezi angathanda ukuzenza, mainly explaining lento eyodwa ukuthi i-alignment with icebo kaNkulunkulu is within him. uJesu Kristu-ke wasikhombisa ukuthi if you want to be aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu, you have to march in that place of judgment. Uyena yedwa owayiqualifya ngoba yena wayeyinkosi nomsindisi, uyena owayiqualifya ukwenza lokho. But mangabe sehamba useyashiya sesakhala ushiyelani, ushiya nomoya ingcwele. But uJesu Kristu ushiya nenye futhi into. Izwi lenkosi lithi okholwa uye akayi ukubhubha, kepha uyoba nokuphila okuphakade. Bamba-ke le kuphila okuphakade ikulu imayelana ne-judgment. Leyo ukuthi uyoba nokuphila okuphakade imayelana nento eyodwa nje, nge-judgment. If you can understand their concepts leya ukuthi akayokubhubha kepha uyoba nokuphila okuphakade, that is judgment bazalwane esimele yona. uJesu Kristu wayesesikhombisa ukuthi i-alignment ikuphi, i-alignment ukuthi wahamba wayosetha kwi-office of judgment, wabona umuntu ukuthi afanele ukuthi abhubhiswe esiphambanweni, umuntu abhubhiselwe isono, yena wahamba wayokwenza lokho. Ekwenzeni lokho wayibona i-purpose of judgment. Ngamanye amazwi uJesu Kristu mangabe esiphambanweni ethi mangabe lithi lenkosi okholwa nguye akayubhubha kepha uyoba nokuphila okuphakade. It's showing us ukuthi iwuphi alignment. Bazalwane, asafani namaprofethi ayekhona in the Old Testament, asafani ney'nceku nabantu ababekhona in the Old Testament, because bona babegeja into eyodwa, babegeja i-alignment. But uJesu Kristu ushiya nani? Ushiya ne-gift of le alignment. Usinikani ukuthi okholwa nguye akayubhubha. Should le ndaba ye-judgment sesiyabuyela nathi kuyona, nathi siyakwazi ukungena la office. Qaphela kusiphambano isiphambano, kuwe kuphambana uJesu Kristu nathi ama-office ahlukana. uJesu Kristu ungena kwi-office lesoni, thina singena kwi-office lendodana kaNkulunkulu. Ngamanye amazwi thina we are seen as uJesu Kristu. uJesu Kristu efekwazi ukungena kulela office before angene kukuhlulela kwesono, before angene esiphambanweni. uJesu Kristu mangazi ungena kulela office eyosethi alignment, sho ukuthi mangabe sefile usesinikile thina wonke amathulu, wonke into capable ukuthi nathi sihambe siyolanda le alignment. So silanda kanjani ke le alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu? Silanda ukuthi sisenze exactly into ayenza yena, ukuthi ahambe yobheka ukufanele kwe-judgment yomuntu, but yena wasinika thina inkululeko yokuthi asiyukubhubha ngenxa yakhe. Ngamanye amazwi asiyukubhubha kepha siyoba nokuphila okuphakade. Yena wakwazi ukuthi afe alale for 3 days. Thina asakwazi ukuthi singene ekufeni, but thina sesiwelisiwe, we are crossile basically. That is the cross. La khona siwela khona, sesiwelileke manje thina bangcwele, because we are now aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. In other words, into engisho namuhla ukuthi thina proper aligned necebo kaNkulunkulu, thina i-judgment yethu ukuthi asiyakubhubha. Qaphela uJesu Kristu ukuthi wayebhekene ukuthi ufuna isitsha simdlule. Ngamanye amazwi wayefuna ukuthi kunikwe omunye leli gunya, umzimba usho njalo basically. Yena yakhe intando kwakuthi umuntu kumele ngimfele, but umzimba usuyabonakala ukuthi awusekho properly aligned necebo kaNkulunkulu. uJesu Kristu wayibona ingozi ukuthi lo mzimba iyona yobumelene nesiphambano, wayewona ungasekho aligned, wakhulekela ukuthi ube properly aligned. Ngamanye amazwi shuthi thina in these days mangabe sesisearch alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu, sesiyahamba siyodonsa uJesu, simbeke uJesu Kristu phambi kwethu, sibe aligned with uJesu Kristu. If we are aligned with Jesu Kristu, then therefore i-alignment yethu noJesu Kristu yenza sibe aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. In other words, if uhluleka ukumukela uJesu Kristu njengenkosi nomsindisi, if uhluleka ukumukela uJesu Kristu njengenkosi yakho yempilo yakho, ufana nomuntu obalekela i-alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu. Sho ukuthi lanto ithini? Ithi lanto uJesu Kristu uma ngabe ebona indaba ye-alignment wahamba wayongena in the realm of judgment. Sho ukuthi wena if you fail ukuthi ube aligned with yona, uyayikhipha ekubeni ne-authority over i-judgment yakho. For example, nje belithi akayubhubha kepha uyoba nokuphila okuphakade. Wena if you are running away from uJesu Kristu, wena the question is, wena shuthi wena ungena kwi-realm of abantu abazobhubha abangeke babe nokuphila okuphakade. Ngamanye amazwi wena if you shift i-alignment wahluleka ukuyongena kulela office uJesu Kristu angena kulona before esiphambanweni, la khona uJesu Kristu khona ayosetha khona i-alignment. If wena wahluleka ukusetha i-alignment, sekulula kuthina sekukuthi we have to believe in uJesu Kristu ukuthi uyinkosi nomsindisi. Mase sikholele uJesu Kristu inkosi nomsindisi, siba nokuphila okuphakade. uJesu Kristu kwakumele ahambe e-office phambanweni ayobhekana nenhlungu. Thina simele ukuthi sikholwe nguye ukuze singabhubhi kepha sibe nokuphila okuphakade. I-alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu. Bazalwane, how many of us are aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? Yeah, if we have people abasemhlabeni abangakholwa, are they understanding ukuthi they are not properly aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? Sengikhuluma nge-alignment with icebo kaNkulunkulu. Are you properly aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? Uhleli e-office lokuthi wena uqondene nalo. Are you aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? noma uphambene endleleni. If unokuphambana ke endleleni, let me explain you ukuthi wena ke ubelonga ini. Ubelonga in the office la khona ningangenanga layo thola leya dominance leyami, because uJesu Kristu is God bazalwane. uJesu Kristu njengoba enguNkulunkulu wakwazi ukuhamba eyongena ngegunya lakhe ayosetha i-alignment bazalwane. Asikwazanga ukuyithola in the Old Testament le alignment. Baningi ababekhona bahluleka, kwahluleka bonke, noma ngabe ngawuDavid, noma ngabe ngawuDaniel, noma ngabe ngoba into ebhedayo ukuthi noma ngabe sebekhona in the Old Testament, they can set i-Old Testament. uMose can do everything uNkulunkulu ayishoyo, but is he aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu ekugcineni kosuku nasekufeni kwakhe? Is he aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? No. Why yekho aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? Inxa ukuthi isono sisengaphezulu kwakhe. Yila khona nje ukuthi khona wasikhombisa khona ukuthi yena uzowazi ezofela isono. Yini azofela isono? Yile ndaba ye-alignment with icebo likaNkulunkulu. Wayibona ukuthi into efanele ukuthi ifike kumuntu. Bazalwane ke now thina ke we are cleansed. Sesigeziwe thina. We are no longer sinners because of Christ. Are we properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? Are you properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? Are you properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? So ke izwi lenkosi ke then has showed us in the New Testament kukhona abantu abanjengoPawuli. Lalela ke uPawuli to show you i-alignment icebo likaNkulunkulu. uPawuli igama lakhe kwakuSawuli before. He would walk around killing Christians. Wayenza kube into kuwe duty yakhe ukuthi ama-Christians yawabulala. Wayabulala ama-Christians all day, wayibulala ama-Christians. Are you properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? Namhlanje awukwazi ukushumayela igospel noma isermon ungazange ukhulume ngento yasho uPawuli. uPawuli has more books in the New Testament than anyone of the New Testament. uPawuli has more books abhalwe uye eBhayibhelini. Are you properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? uPawuli washumayela in the New Testament. Ngeke ukholwe ukuthi ushumayela kangakanani. Are you properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? This being wayehamba every day slaughtering ama-Christians. Kodwa wakwazi ukuthi nje athi kancane mase align necebo likaNkulunkulu. Are you properly aligned with icebo likaNkulunkulu? uJesu Kristu into ayenza wasetha phela isystem njengabantu abakholwayo la khona sikwazi khona ungena in the highest realm la singabelongi khona, la mina engayiboni ngifitha ukuthi ngingangena khona erealm kaNkulunkulu la ibusa khona. Wayosenza ukuthi sibe nayo nathi i-impact yethu, sibe ne-choice yethu. Ungabi ne-choice ka-Adam no-Eva ukuthi umuntu vele so Adam no-Eva isono sabo nawe isakho. Ungafani nezizukulwane zakho, your grandfathers and your grandmothers and your great ancestors. Ungafani nabo. uJesu Kristu wayijika yonke leyo nto leyo. Wathi leyo nto leyo ibelonga kuwena. Ukuthi uyamukela yini? Uyamukela yini? Uyavuma yini ukuthi wakufela esiphambanweni? How easy leyo nto leyo is. But umhlaba is torn apart. Abantu bayinhlanga ezinye inhlanga, khona abakholwayo khona abangakholwa. Indaba eliwa nayo ile ukuthi nje just to accept ukuthi uJesu Kristu inkosi nomsindisi. Ingoba it is not just to accept, it is the alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu. Khona aba-aligned with lona, khona abangekho aligned with lona. So when you think ukuthi yini difficult with just accepting ukuthi khona inkosi eyafika yazofela izono zethu sonke. Yini enzima ngalokho? Yini embi futhi ngalokho? Futhi yenza ukuthi uvele ucasuke. Uthi hayi ayenzekanga leyo nto leyo. Yini engamenza umuntu acasuke? Oh, people are not aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. Because if you see it ukuthi uhlulwa nje ukuvuma nje ukuthi uJesu Kristu inkosi nomsindisi ngenhliziyo nangomlomo, just ukuvuma nje. How is that difficult? Oh, umuntu abantu they are not aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. Is one thing ngenisihogweni i-alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu la ulekha khona? Are you aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? Izolo I spoke about something very important, ukuthi thina nemizimba yethu asina alignment necebo kaNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu wenza ukuthi thina we want something different. Thina esikufunayo kufani nalokhu esikwenzayo. But ithini into esenhlizweni yakho? Into esenhlizweni ithi ize noma umzimba can pressure you ukuthi uphume kwi-alignment. Inhliziyo kaJesu yayibona kufanelekile ukuthi afele umuntu. Sho ukuthi ekuzaleni kwakhe nasekuphileni kwakhe there was one thing eyayi-important task kuyena, ukuthi amfele umuntu regardless of noma yini umuntu. uJesu Kristu wayeyi-weakness yabantu, ebabona abantu i-cruelty yabo nobuntekenteke babo. In fact babe bancane abantu uJesu Kristu ababona ukuthi ba-honorable, wayebancane. But uJesu Kristu uyabona ewela ethi mina ngizofela ethi mina ngize kunina nina zulu. And leyo nto leyo, you see, uJesu Kristu is kind. There was a declaration of war ukuthi uzofika azonqoba isono. Useyazakala manje ethi mina ngizele nina kwizoni. That is a declaration of war. It's like going into enemy country yakho uphethe isibhamu. Uma ubuza uthiwa are you a spy, uvela ukhipha isibhamu uthi ngizele wena. It's a declaration of war. But Jesus Christ was in war with not abantu but with isono. Uyabonakala ethi ngizele nina. So ayikwazi ukuthi ahlale nezona jabule because he was aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. Esiphambanweni wayibona itask yakhe. uJesu Kristu was forefront yokubona umuntu ukuthi umuntu uyiphici kangakanani. But uyabonakala uJesu Kristu ekweqa lokho because he was aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu. Are you aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? So to all your friends abangakholwa, this is their message. Abangani bakho labaningi abangafuna ukukholwa, this is message yabo ukuthi i-alignment yabo necebo kaNkulunkulu ihamba kanjani. Are they aligned with icebo kaNkulunkulu? Ngisacela nje ukusho njalo bangcwele egameni leNkosi uJesu. Sibonge izwi leNkosi namsile naye, siyabonga.